Here we are again with the Model G, the 47 Model G, and here we are with the G, and we see him here all day, and we got into plowing. You've seen the John Deere 70 with the 4-bottom plow if you watch my videos. Please give some comments, give my video some likes, and subscribe to the channel and everything. The more you subscribe, the more fun videos you'll get to see. And it's about 38. It's been sitting here all day. It got up to about 53 today, and we're gonna start it up. We're just gonna start up and let it warm up. We're probably gonna let it sit here for the night here. This is a good place to park it on the John Deere bed covers. The John Deere 8420 barn back there. Nothing runs like a deer. So I just want to let you know, on the real G, the flywheel's visible, but we have some new coworkers I hired, and I ordered a custom flywheel cover for this. So this is not the flywheel. This is just a custom cover for it. This is just a custom cover, so the flywheel's actually in behind it, like on the John Deere 70 and the rest of them. But just want to let you know, this is not the flywheel, so don't be surprised if it's not spinning. It's just a cover. So let's get it started. Ignition on. Okay, let's go.